Ever wondered why cleaning feels harder than the mess itself, especially when heavy vacuums turn a simple task into exhaustion? Today, we break down the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use that actually make cleaning feel effortless again. Stay with us, and if one fits your home, check the links in the description. Number 6, Bissell PowerClean 280-watt. Some messes don't show themselves until light hits the floor just right, revealing everything you thought was gone. That's where this model changes the experience inside the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup. With 280-watt suction, it doesn't just skim the surface, it pulls out embedded dust and pet hair hiding deep in carpets and corners. The Fur Finder headlights feel almost revealing, like the dirt was invisible until now. Suddenly, cleaning becomes focused instead of guesswork. Its cordless freedom offers up to 50 minutes of runtime in standard mode, enough for full home sessions. Compared to basic lightweight sticks, it holds cleaning depth far better. The self-cleaning brush roll and sealed HEPA system keep allergens trapped inside instead of releasing them back into the air. Turbo mode drains faster, but the deep cleaning power makes that trade-off understandable. Ideal for pet owners and allergy-prone homes where hidden dirt is the real problem. Number 5, RENNBOES 55 kPa 650-watt. There's a moment when dust stops being visible and starts becoming noticeable in the air itself. That's when this machine enters the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup and completely shifts expectations. With 55 kPa suction powered by a 650-watt brushless motor, it feels like industrial strength brought into a home-friendly design. It pulls embedded debris from carpets and hard floors with a force you can actually sense in the handle. Up to 65 minutes of runtime means fewer interruptions, especially for larger homes. The 2L dust cup reduces constant emptying, while the LED display keeps everything clearly visible. Compared to lighter entry-level stick vacuums that fade under pressure, this one stays steady longer. It is a bit more solid in build, but that added structure supports consistent deep cleaning. Perfect for families, pet owners, and homes where cleaning once isn't enough. Number 4, Bissell 2033M Lightweight. Sometimes the biggest relief in cleaning is not power, it's weight. This model proves that inside the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup. At under 4 pounds, it removes the physical strain that makes cleaning feel like effort. It moves easily across floors, rugs, and tight spaces without hesitation. The 3-in-1 design switches between stick, hand, and stair cleaning instantly. In apartments, dorms, or compact homes, that flexibility matters more than size or complexity. Unlike cordless vacuums that depend on battery timing, this corded design keeps power consistent. The trade-off is a limited reach, but it stays reliable where it matters most. Crevice tools and floor attachments make corners and edges easier to handle. It's built for users who want fast, simple cleaning without thinking twice. Number 3, Dirt Devil Powerful A Home can look clean until the sunlight exposes everything you missed. And that's where frustration usually begins. In the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup, this model turns that moment into action. The Endura filtration system keeps suction steady so performance doesn't drop even during longer cleaning sessions. It moves easily through rooms without the heavy push of traditional uprights. The quick release wand extends reach for corners and shelves, while the one-touch dirt cup keeps disposal clean and fast. Compared to bulkier corded vacuums, it feels lighter and more responsive. The only drawback is the slightly louder operation, but that comes with stronger direct airflow performance. Ideal for busy homes, pet owners, and quick daily resets. Number 2, BonePone 30 kPa Powerful Cleaning becomes a burden when your vacuum feels like something you have to fight against. That changes here inside the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup. With 30 kPa suction driven by a 250-watt motor, it reaches deep into carpets where dust usually stays hidden. Pet hair, crumbs, and debris don't just move around, they get pulled out. What stands out is balance. It stays light enough for stairs, furniture, and even car interiors without feeling overwhelming. Compared to weaker mid-range sticks that lose suction quickly, this one holds performance longer. Turbo mode reduces runtime, but that's expected with stronger suction output. The LED display helps track usage, while the anti-tangle brush reduces maintenance frustration. Great for pet owners and busy households that want strong cleaning without complexity. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Lightweight. The cleanest homes often hide the most dust. You only see it when light exposes what routine cleaning missed. This model completes the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup with a focus on simplicity and consistency. At under 8 pounds, it removes the physical strain that usually slows cleaning down. Scatter-free suction keeps debris controlled on hard floors while still handling carpets smoothly. Compared to heavier, more complex cordless models, it feels instantly easier to use day after day. The removable wand reaches curtains and corners, while the easy empty bin makes disposal quick and mess-free. It's not overloaded with features. It's built for reliability, speed, and daily comfort. Winner is Bissell CleanView Lightweight. It wins because it delivers the most practical, everyday experience in the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use lineup. It stays light, easy to control, and consistent across different floor types. Unlike heavier high suction models like RENNBOES or BonePone, it doesn't trade comfort for power. Instead, it balances both in a way that fits real daily cleaning. If you want something simple, fast, and dependable without extra effort, this is the one that makes cleaning feel less like a task and more like a quick reset. That wraps up today's video on the 6 top lightweight vacuum cleaners for easy use. All product links are in the description below. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.